Kids, are you ready? It's learning time.
A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gate. H for hen. I for iron. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for ring. S for sun. T for table. U for umbrella. V for vegan. W for watch. X for x-ray. E for yogurt. Z for zebra.